Nasa balong.
Surprise, ang birthday. Naugma pa ang birthday.
Kanta ba, kanta ba?
Happy birthday to you. Karong gabi una, among i-celebrate ang birthday ni Balong. I-surprise na mo si Balong sa among pag-surprise ugma pamandayang birthday.
Birthday na kay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Balong! Happy birthday!
Oy, happy birthday!
Galing to! Happy birthday!
Ang gabi, atong paminaw si Mike Advisor sa iyang speech. Ato siyang paminaw.
Number 4, be balanced. God, family, and friends. Number 5, be confident. There is a huge difference between being confident and being cocky. So confident, not cocky. Okay? Number 6, happy that moment. Be courageous. Go after what you want.
Michael.
Be humble. Let other people sing your praises. Be a team leader.
Dili Duterte.
Okay?
Duterte.
Learn that your team success is your success. Learn. Number 9, learn.
Pastor Michael.
Number 10, listen. Number 11, be loyal. Number 12, have integrity and character. Number 13, habitat, be healthy. Number 14, adapt. Learn to be able to throw yourself into the system and be comfortable. 15, learn self-respect. Number 16, be detail-oriented. Learn to be well organized. 17, be honest. 18, be funny. And number 19, muli pinakapugatong, believe in your creator. Mike, as a wife, ilang mas magbalong? Ha? 20! Bakat naman! So, to your wife, you are a perfect husband. So, words to panel, be perfect to her.
Ito ang short message daw ni Michael Advisor.
Let's pray for the
Taas
food.
na kayo ang message. Gutom na kami.
Kiss the bread daw! Kiss the bread sa daw! Kiss the bread sa daw! Kiss the bread!
Unsay may istorya nimo, birthday boy.
Salamat tidak.
Happy birthday. Operation video ni Bossing Decoy.
Hello! Ang last na ko speech was kita mo dito, okay lang, mapapulti sa busy was buong natin speech mo na ang tambag na atag sa yato. 4 years later, huwag mo pinagawa na ginawak mo na yung health may improve.
Diri na human ang breaking news, ang sorpresa para kabalo. O kini si Jimboy sa Pukaulaw 101. Kadush.